What is the right time to do everything? Who is the important people in our life? Who are, and what is the important thing to do our life? So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Daily English with Shatrughan. So today I am going to tell you a story that is written by Leo Thorsty. That the story name is Three Questions. Once upon a time, there were lived a king. Name I don't know the name. The king he want he wanted to know the what was the right time to do everything. Who are the good people who listen to me, and what were the good thing to do in my life. So today, so he called her all ministers, and he asked to everyone that question. Some people give the first question answer is you made a pre-planned routine. You divide years, month, day, and you are strictly stay in one routine that may be helpful for you. And others said कि you hire a magician, you then he know better. Some people say कि different people give their different opinions. And the second question is like who are the good peoples, like who are the important peoples in our kingdom is called. So some says doctors is very important, some says priest is very important, some says soldiers is very important. Yeah, this question also have different answers. And the third question is what was the right thing to do. Some said ki worship is good thing, some said ki helping people is good thing. Some Yeah, this question also have different answer. The king was not satisfied with those answers. He tried to find a wisdom or knowledgeable person in their entire kingdom. One day one of her minister said ki king, in our kingdom one knowledgeable person, one primate, he lived in a jungle, in a wood. So the king was put out her king clothes, and he wear a normal clothes, and he went to meet the that primate, or you can say that wisdom old man. He went with her horse. He went alone. Then to he came to the primate. Then he asked, hey wise man, I came to you for for three answer. What was the right time to do everything, and what who are the important people, and what is the thing I do. The primate he never give any answer. Then he dogging he dogging her in her field. Then he asked, the king asked two or three times. He did not reply, and he did not give any answer. And then the king also started digging with the wise man. Then in the evening, the day was passed and the evening started.